I'm really excited to bring the next person up to stage. He is an incredibly successful entrepreneur and business owner who owned multiple successful businesses. He has now transitioned into purchasing companies and flipping them, which was a huge transition he's made over the last year and a half. He is joining us all the way from the United Kingdom, and some of you may even recognize him as an incredibly successful entrepreneur that was on one of the covers of the Powerful magazine that you received on your seats. I want everyone up to give an incredibly warm welcome for the one and only Phil Jepson.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Amazing. What an amazing bunch of people you are. You are incredible. Incredible. Thank you. Thank you. 2 years ago, I was on the stage at Mega Success talking about how important small businesses are to the economy, something that Lil was talking about earlier today. But I also talked about how those businesses have got a problem, which is succession. And that problem creates an opportunity for people like us to buy those businesses. So what I want to do today is just talk to you about what's happened since and what we've been doing over the last 2 years. The first thing, I wasn't quite sure how to talk about this until someone this morning used this phrase. We found an asset class which suited us. Big Mitch said that this morning. And that's what happened to us. We found an asset class which suits us. And for us, that's engineering companies. Engineering's really important. Engineering businesses make the parts, the components that drive the rest of the economy. In the UK, engineering is a growing and thriving sector. And around the world, British engineering is really well renowned and respected. So we decided to focus on engineering. And in the early part of 2020, there was something going on in the world. Kind of affected a lot of people. And we decided that'd be a great time to go out and buy a business. So in May 2020, we completed our first acquisition, which is a small business, £1.1 million revenue engineering business in the UK. In the 18 months we've owned that business, well, first thing was in year one we made a profit coming through the pandemic, so I thought that was pretty good. We've found a better location, we've moved it, we've got new machinery in there, we've got new customers in there, we've put systems and processes in, we've got some new people in, and now we've got a plan where that business will double its revenue in the next 3 years. May 2020, we moved on and we bought a second business. This was a £4 million engineering business. Since May, we've got a new general manager in there. We've completely revamped the organization structure of the business, and we've now got a plan in place with that business to grow its revenue by 75% in the next 2 years. So that's a good example of the potential that sits in these businesses. Right now, we've got another 7 businesses in our pipeline where we're in negotiations with them, and they're all potential acquisitions for us. I just want to talk a bit about our vision. Our vision is to build an ecosystem. It's something that JT talks a lot about. We want to build an ecosystem of engineering businesses, different engineering disciplines that can work together and grow together to manufacture parts and components, initially across the UK and then hopefully across Europe and the world. And then going on from that, the next phase is to get a design capability so that not only can we sell parts and components to other people, but we can design, manufacture, create our own products to sell as well. So that's the vision. We've got a problem. We want to scale. That's the next phase for us, really. We've proved the concept. We want to scale. But to scale and to move more quickly than we have up to now, what we need to find next are capital partners. We don't need a lot, actually. For the type of deals we're doing, £100,000 to £250,000 a transaction, if we had that, would make a massive difference. Firstly, to getting better deals. Secondly, to negotiating better terms. And thirdly, to allow us to move faster. So that's the next stage for us, is finding what Hugh talked about, is those relationship-based capital partners. The strategy that we're going to follow is this. There was some talk in the last couple of days about big deals, small deals. Do you buy rabbits? Do you buy elephants? For us, we're buying rabbits. We like rabbits. We like rabbits. Not fluffy rabbits. Not fluffy rabbits. We like what I call rabbits with attitude. We know rabbits. We understand rabbits. We like rabbits. And if you buy rabbits, the risk is a lot smaller than if you start buying big businesses. Rabbits with attitude are good businesses with the potential to be great businesses, but they've just not made it there yet. And that's our aim, is to move in, to buy the good business and to make it a great business. To sum up the strategy, it's this. Buy rabbits, build an elephant. That's the plan. Buy rabbits, build an elephant. If any of you want to talk to me about what we're doing, if any of you sitting out there happen to be potential capital partners, if anybody's interested in buying businesses, come and talk to me. We've done it twice. Okay, it's 2 deals, but it's 2 more than a lot of people have done. So come and talk to me. Love to talk to you. Anything about buying businesses. We'll partner with people. We'll help people. We're here to learn. We're here to grow. And remember, buy rabbits, build elephants. Thank you very much.
Everyone, let's give it up